guys, welcome back to my channel. Over the past couple of months or so, it's safe to say that we have gone back to our usual schedule of constant makeup releases. There's been some good, there's been some bad, but there has been one makeup release in particular that has really gotten people talking. Pat McGrath released a lip kit, and the price of that lip kit is $75. Now, Pat's makeup is known for being pretty expensive. That's fine, she's a professional makeup artist, you know, she's up there as one of the best. She can charge whatever she wants for her makeup. But the issue that people have with this lip kit is that it is designed to create this look. Now, how often are you going to wear this look when you've paid $75 for it? One point that the girls on Beauty News made, and a lot of people messaged me about as well when I posted about this lip kit, is you could probably do it yourself for a fraction of the price. So that is exactly what we're going to do today. I have gathered the materials for this look in front of me, and they come to roughly £24. And to be fair, I technically only really spent £8 because I actually had the other items in my collection already. I reckon most people probably already have 2 of these items in their collection, and I guarantee that about 95% of us definitely have one of the items for this. Now, before we jump into the video, I would just like to let you guys know that I'm currently hosting a giveaway over on my Instagram page. So if you guys would like a chance to win all of the items pictured here, make sure you click the link in my description box below and follow the rules on the post to enter. So let's start by actually taking a look at what you are getting in this lip kit for $75, because it might not be quite what you expect. The very first item is a mini matte trance lipstick in the shade Elson. That's right, a mini lipstick. For $75, I was kind of expecting a full size, but apparently not. We're only getting a mini. We get a tube of Duo Lash Glue, which Duo I have nothing wrong with. That's the brand that I use. But again, for $75, I was kind of expecting a tube of Pat McGrath Lash Glue. Like, even if it was still Duo, just have Pat McGrath printed on there, like have your own tube, I don't know. It looks a bit out of place, it's really weird. You get a wax pencil to apply the gems with, which we will touch on a little bit later in the video. You then get 4 little jars, one of them containing the microfine glitter, and the other 3 containing 3 different sizes of red Swarovski crystals. Now, I'm guessing that's where the price comes from rather than anything else, because they're not just cheap gems, they're actual Swarovski crystals. But here's the thing, right? If I bought that lip kit, I spent $75, and I decided to actually wear this out, I would be terrified of losing those gems. Like, I wouldn't eat because you just physically couldn't with the gems, which is really annoying because that's half of the reason that I ever go anywhere, to be honest. And you couldn't really drink either unless you had a straw. So overall, it just sounds really, really inconvenient. And I think every time I would lose a gem, I'd probably cry a little bit, because I'd be thinking of how much money that one single gem was. Now, on her Instagram page, Pat has very kindly given us a quick tutorial on how to achieve this look. So let's watch it together and let me know if you guys spot anything at all in this video. How do I screen record on this phone? I can't even remember. Oh, there we go. Okay, I figured it out. So let's watch the tutorial. Okay, so I'm already dreading this gem application so much. I'm gonna really, really regret deciding to make this video. So now let's have a closer look at this video, because something jumps out to me immediately. Do you see the very first product that she's using? She starts off with a lip liner that isn't included in the lip kit. So for $75, we don't even get all the products that she's used. This isn't the only thing. I'm pretty sure when you look closely after she's put on the lipstick and before putting on the glitter, it does look like she's putting on a clear lip gloss. So I am going to be using one today as well. And then the other thing is that when she's actually applying the gems, she's definitely using tweezers. She's not using the wax pencil that's included in the kit. I just find it quite amusing that what is used in the video isn't everything that you have in the kit. So yeah, I am going to be including a lip pencil and a lip gloss. I haven't included those in my total of £24 just because technically they weren't in her lip kit either. But I mean, even if we do, I'm pretty sure they were like £3 each or something, so my total is still going to be less than £30. But yeah, I think we should jump in, and I already know that I'm going to have so many regrets when I'm actually applying these gems. So before we jump into the application, I just want to let you know what I used to prep my lips today. I used the Nivea Rose Hip Oil Lip Scrub. I didn't know this was a thing, but I was placing an order from Superdrug and I wanted to have a quick look at lip scrubs, and this was like really cheap. It's a lip scrub in a tube, but you don't have to take it off. And I thought that sounded really cool, so I tried it yesterday and today, and you just put it on as you would your lip balm, and eventually the lip scrub particles they eventually dissolve, and I have to say my lips feel really soft, which normally isn't the case once I actually get to do my lips. Like normally I use a lip scrub at the start before doing my makeup, and by the time I get to do my lips they're already like really gross again, and that's not the case today, so I'm intrigued. I'm gonna definitely carry on using this one. That really sounded like a sponsorship. It definitely isn't, guys. No one is paying me to do any content. So the first thing that I am gonna use is a lip liner, because that's what she started by using, and I got this one from Barry M, which is just their lip liner in red. It was stupidly cheap. I will put the price up on the screen. So I'm literally just gonna start by lining my lips. She does do quite a thick line, doesn't she? So let me thicken that up. Well, this is off to a great start, guys. I'll come and clean that up in a second. She went for a nice rounded shape, so that is what I'm going to try and do today, but I'm not very good at changing my lip shape. Okay, well, I mean, apart from the part where I actually, you know, messed up, that looks fine to me. So next she took like a small brush to smudge it out. So I guess I'm just gonna try like a small flat eyeshadow brush and just give it a bit of a smudge. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. God, I'm about to make this side worse. I really need to clean this up. And literally just take some of my foundation on like a really tiny brush. Okay, so next we can jump into the first item that is technically actually included in the lip kit, and that is the lipstick. So the one that I'm going to use today is the Revolution Pro New Neutral Lipstick in Stiletto. I think this one is £7, but I'm pretty sure that when I bought it, it was cheaper. It was only a £5. I actually did a video swatching a few of these, so if you guys would like to check it out, that will be up in the cards. But the reason I decided to go for this lipstick, even though it isn't my cheapest option, is because I got a set of Pat's mini lipsticks for Christmas last year, and I had very high expectations, obviously, for the price, and I tried them, and they kind of felt really similar to these, so I feel like this is possibly quite a good dupe, so I'm just gonna go in with it. It's not the best match for the lip liner. The lip liner's a little bit more pink. That's fine, we're gonna cover it all in glitter and gems anyway. I'm just gonna blot off any excess. This, to be fair, is a look in itself. I'm a little bit worried I'm about to completely destroy it with the gems, but let's carry on because we have started this process and we're gonna get to the end of it. So the next item in the lip kit is the glitter, and I actually didn't have to go out and buy any. I actually had one in my collection. I'm going to be using the Revolution Glitter in Hall of Fame. This one is from their Christmas collection from 2 years ago, I believe, but they do still sell it on their website. It's normally £4, but the last time I checked, it was actually on sale for £3.20. So if you do want a nice red glitter and it's still on sale, it's a very nice affordable option. Now, in order to get the glitter to stick, it does look like she has applied a lip gloss underneath it. So I picked up the Collection Gloss Me Up lip gloss, which again was like £2 or £3. Very affordable, and it's just a clear classic lip gloss in a classic tube. So I'm just gonna pop some of that. Oh my god, that is quite runny. I'm gonna be pretty careful with it, I think. I'm gonna go in with a flat brush, and I'm gonna do my bottom lip first. Oh, it smells minty. And now I'm just tipping some of the glitter into the lid, just like that. And I'm just gonna take any old eyeshadow brush and just pat that in. So far so good, that seems to be working, but I am a little bit scared that I'm going to be eating a load of glitter. I'm going to take a bit more of the lip gloss. My god, it like properly just squirts out. Back in with my brush.
That's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt.
This looks amazing, but I will be honest with you guys, I already want to take it off. It does not feel comfortable at all. And I'm kind of worried it's just going to end up all over my teeth. Although, that is a very flattering shade of red. My teeth do not look too yellow. I feel like I'm breezing through this, but I know that the last part that we are coming up to now is going to be the longest. I'm kind of worried I won't be able to talk properly afterwards, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. So let's now talk about the gems and the lash glue. The one that I have started using is the brush on adhesive, just because it has an actual brush on the end. It's not a little spatula, which their fast drying lash glue has. I get mine on Amazon. It usually costs me under £5, but I will have the exact price up on the screen. And you can get lash glue from anywhere. You can get some in Primark, you can get some in Superdrug, Boots, most places that sell makeup, and it doesn't have to be duo. It can be any brand as long as it's safe to use on the eyes, obviously. I definitely just ate some glitter. So let's now talk about the stars of the show, the rhinestones. Now, I don't actually know how many rhinestones are included in the kit. It doesn't say on her Instagram posts. I'm assuming there's enough for at least one, at least you'd hope so. Guessing maybe two, because otherwise if you can only use that lip kit once, that's pretty expensive. I just went straight to Amazon for this because that's where I tend to order all of my rhinestones from, and I found two possible options, both of which will be linked down below for you guys to check out. The first one is by a brand called Lolly Beads. I've ordered rhinestones from them in a different colour before. They sell a pack of 1,200 for $5.99, which is a great price. The ones that I ended up going for are by a brand called Zila, and they are a little bit more expensive. They are £7.99. However, for that price you are getting 4,200. I'm never even going to get through all of those rhinestones, but there was one particular reason that I wanted to get them, which I'm going to show you right now. They actually came with a wax pencil and a set of tweezers just included with the rhinestones. I have found that that tends to be the case with most of the sets of rhinestones that I have ordered on Amazon. I just kind of wanted to make a point that that wax pencil that she's included in the lip kit, that she's not even used, but she has used tweezers, well, both of those are included in this set for $7.99. We actually get 6 different sizes in here as well, so we have a lot of options. So let's give that a go. I'm really scared of how long this is going to take you guys. Now, I will say it is quite difficult to see from the photos and the videos where she's used which sizes of gems, so I am going to be guessing here, but it looks to me like she's used the bigger ones in the middle, and then as she gets to the outside she's using the smaller ones, which kind of makes sense. So I think I'm going to use the tweezers, and these are always so good, these tweezers that come with these sets, because they are so precise. She applies the lash glue with a brush, which I'm thinking maybe I should do because I don't think I want to cover this in glitter. So what's a small brush I have? I'm literally just going to paint the glue on the tip of my brush. Let's see if that works. I'm going to start with the top lip. And I'm going to start with my biggest size of gem, which is my 3rd biggest in the set. This feels really weird, guys. I don't think you're meant to talk with this on. I'm gonna add some more, and I'm gonna carry on with the perimeter of the lip first, and I'm gonna move on to the size below. I mean, it looks cool, but it's not comfortable. Who is this lip kit made for exactly? My lips are obviously not quite as big as the models because I think she's got 3 rows of gems. I think I'm only going to be able to fit in 2.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze.
Oh no. Things were going so well. I feel like I can't even swallow my own saliva right now. I'm also going to get out some of these gems in the second to smallest size, and that's going to be for my outer corner. The hardest part of this by far, aside from the talking, is the symmetry, because I feel like I'm going to take a picture of this and it's going to be completely lopsided. I admire the patience of anyone who does lip art on a regular basis. It's not for me. I'm so close, but I still feel so far.
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now.
I'm so thirsty right now, and I don't have a straw, so this is very annoying right now. Oh, I didn't plan ahead, did I? Oh no, one of them is falling off. Oh god, not what I need. Just so close to being finished. Okay, done. Oh, no, stop. The corners of my lips keep sticking together. I'll tell you what, on the bright side, my lips definitely do look bigger and plumper because I can't close my mouth properly. I guess the question that I really want to ask is, who is this $75 lip kit made for? Because no one's wearing this out. No one's wearing this to a party. You'd have to stand there without talking, and you could only drink out of the straw. Beauty News did make a really, really good point, because they did mention that makeup artists probably aren't going to spend that much money on this lip kit, because they would then have to charge their clients so much. So makeup artists are probably going to be picking up this type of gems because overall for their work it's just a lot cheaper. So I'm guessing it is just aimed at people who have an Instagram page and just want to do this for fun. But I mean, $75 is so much money. It is literally just to feel a little bit bougie. I would never spend $75 on this personally, not to feel this uncomfortable. I really just want to take it off. I feel like the gems are moving around as well. I hope this kind of looks good in a photo. I have no idea if it is going to, but there we go. That's it, it's done. I will put the final total price of this up on the screen so that you guys can see how much it did cost me. I probably could have done it for less, but I was using stuff that I already had. Doesn't mean I couldn't have found it for cheaper, but if you want to give it a go, you don't need to spend $75 on it. No, oh my god, one's coming off. I need to stop talking. No. See, this is what I mean. Imagine these were actual Swarovski gems that you'd paid a load of money for, and you kept losing gems. Like, how sad would you be? If you lose one of these, who cares? You've got 4,000 more left. Okay, the gems are definitely moving around as I'm talking, so they are losing their symmetricality. You know what? I don't know. They're not very symmetrical anymore, so I'm gonna have to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just for a bit of fun, just to show you that there's no need to spend $75 on a lip kit that doesn't even include all of the products that you need in there, basically. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, then do please, as always, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment letting me know what you thought of it. And of course, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next video. And I'll see you all on the next one. Bye, guys.
Just like a spark that's breaking